Good evening. On February 8th, 2021, the Honorable Supreme Court of India rejected a plea. What is that plea? That plea is requesting the Supreme Court to give directions to the central government for the imposition of the President's rule in Uttar Pradesh. Now, what exactly is happening here? Under the Constitution of India, as we have discussed elaborately during our Indian polity classes, we know very clearly that under Article number 356 of the Constitution, President can impose President's rule in a state. So this is what we have learnt. But now the case is related to something else here. Supreme Court has been approached by a petitioner who is also a lawyer, and he requested for the imposition of the President's rule in the so-called the Uttar Pradesh, and he wanted the Supreme Court to give directions to the central government on the same. But Honorable Supreme Court on February 8th, 2021 rejected the plea, and the Supreme Court has asked the petitioner on what grounds you are asking for the imposition of the President's rule and what are the reasons. So what is the research that has been performed by you, and how can you seek for the implementation of the or imposition of the President's rule in the state of Uttar Pradesh? And the petitioner said there is a crime rate that is increasing in Uttar Pradesh. As per the records of the year 2019, Uttar Pradesh has got more number of crimes, and the Supreme Court asked for the basis of that person's research, and the Supreme Court also expressed its anger on the petitioner, and it warned the petitioner that you will have to pay a lot of penalty if you waste the time of the Honorable Supreme Court. Meaning, Supreme Court is already looking into various aspects, and such type of petitions, Supreme Court might feel that its time is getting wasted. And also remember, when such type of idea comes into the mind of the Supreme Court will impose a huge penalty on the petitioner. So this is only to discourage non-serious complaints that are lodged by some of the people in the Supreme Court. So kindly remember, under Article number 356 of the Constitution, it is the President of India who imposes the President's rule, right? That may be on the recommendation of the Governor or otherwise. Governor recommends whenever there is a breakdown of the constitutional machinery in the concerned state. Am I clear? And once the central government, the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister, satisfied that the situation is demanding for the imposition of the President's rule, then that will be recommended to the President of India, and accordingly the President declares, imposes the President's rule in the concerned state. Fine. And apart from this, now you must be getting a doubt by listening to the first 1 minute's discussion. Can the Supreme Court intervene in these type of matters? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes, the Supreme Court can intervene. Supreme Court can intervene in any matter. So this is very important. That is the reason why the plea has been filed, and the plea has been rejected. Had the Supreme Court is satisfied with the evidences that are produced by the petitioner, Supreme Court could have given the directions to the central government for the imposition of the President's rule in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So please remember, these type of points are important for the examination. But otherwise, what is Article 356? Who imposes President's rule? Who recommends? What are the grounds? So these are the general questions that are asked in the any preliminary examination. But when you are writing the main examination, along with the latest examples, you have to present your answer. Then you will be scoring better marks. Fine. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much.